Hi, I'm Randy. So today I had a partial knee replacement. What they had to do was just on the inside of my knee. They put all the metal in there and the plastic in there to make it work. I had to be at the hospital. My appointment was 7:30. Had to be at the hospital at 5:30 to check in. Just a little paperwork, co-pays, all that kind of stuff. 7:30 they started prepping me, doing all my stuff. They gave me a couple of pills, which one was a Xanax. One I think was a gabapentin, which is to help with your nerves, and the other one was a nausea pill so I don't get sick from all the stuff. And then during that, after they gave me that, they were going to give me all my stuff with my visa and give me a shot in my knee, which is a nerve blocker, which is really nice. By the time I got around to that, I was asleep. I didn't wake up for any of that, didn't see it. Woke up feeling great, no pain at all. Of course, I have a nerve blocker in there, and they said the nerve blocker will last for like 2 to 3 days. So that's good. They had me get out. I had to walk around a little bit. I had to walk up 2 stairs, 2 stairs down. They say when you walk up, go up with your right foot. If you're going down the stairs, go down with your bad foot, assuming you have a railing with you. They gave me this walker. Woohoo! And that's it. So I've been home for about 6 hours. Absolutely no pain. I had more pain yesterday before I had my surgery than I do now. Of course, I've got a nerve blocker in there. I haven't taken any painkillers. They said tonight I'll take that along with the gabapentin and a few other goodies, antibiotics and stuff. But they gave me an antibiotic today too. So I will check in with you tomorrow. I just did the ice machine around it to ice it. But you know, the walker is mostly so you don't get dizzy and fall because of the stuff. But this is the way I feel. I mean, it doesn't, of course it hurts more when I've got, you know, painkillers in there, but it feels great. You know, this is the one here to bend it and everything. So anyways, I was really concerned, so I thought I'll just do a little video every day to let you guys know how my progress is. Have a good one. Day 2 of my partial knee replacement. The still doesn't hurt at all. Little swollen, little stiff. I've been icing it every couple of hours. They said that there's a nerve block thing that they did that lasts 24 to 48 hours, 72 hours. So far I'm almost at 48 hours. I think maybe just a little past 20. So, but you can see here, if you want to zoom down here, Doug, a little bit, I'm all black and blue here. Very swollen compared to both my legs here. And a little numb right here. I have a feeling here, but very swollen. So anyways, day 2, I'll show you what day 3 looks like. Have a good one. Hi there. So follow up day 3, 58 hours after I had my partial knee replacement here. And so far I still don't have any pain. I'm starting to feel feeling. It's been 58 hours. They said up to 72 hours for the nerve block to go away. It's kind of sensitive. It's starting to itch a little bit. Still pretty good though, able to bend it. I've been icing it. Key, ice, because it is nice and swollen. But as you can see, I can go up the stairs pretty good. And coming down, it doesn't really hurt. Now, everybody might be different. You might end up needing a painkiller, that sort of thing like that, which I have just in case. Tonight, I'll be taking my gabapentin, which helps a little bit with the nerve endings, things like that, but I've been doing that and taking my anti-inflammatories. I think I have 1 day left of anti-inflammatories. So anyways, doing good so far. I'll follow up tomorrow. Thanks. Hey there. So today, I had my surgery on Monday. Today is Friday, and this is where I'm at. I ended up, I don't know if you can see a little bit, I did a lot of walking the other day, so I ended up with lots and lots of bruising down here. Still, hardly any pain at all. I could bend it. It's very tight just from the swelling. Not more bruising over there. I need to ice it more. I'm not taking any of the Norco, that kind of stuff. I'm just taking the one that they gave me at nighttime that's for inflammation, things like that. So anyways, that's just where I'm at. Feel good. Again, no pain at all. I'm kind of amazed. Not even in the incision, so I'm not quite sure what the deal is, but feeling good. Hi everybody, so it's 9 days after my partial knee replacement here on my left knee here. I'm just still doing my aspirin and my meloxicam, which is an anti-inflammatory. It's It's a mild pain thing. Last night my incision area was hurting a little bit, so I took one of the Norco. But you can see the purple is going away. Still a little bit there. It's a lot better. Swelling down here has gone down a lot. My calf yesterday was super swollen. Today's like 25% down, which is great. So I'm able to bend my knee. It's very, very tight, but I could bend it. So that's about it. So we'll see how we're doing. Get my stitches out here in about 4 or 5 days. So have a good day. Okay, so it's been 3 weeks since my partial knee replacement. Tomorrow will actually be 3 weeks. And this is where I'm at. Right now, bending and moving is great. A little tight, tiny bit of swelling still left right in here. You can kind of see in the knee here where they did where my scar is at, just off to the side here. Feels pretty good. A little bit of a tenderness right here to wear pants. I put Scotch tape on there the other day so I could wear pants because the rubbing was kind of enough to drive me crazy. But I think it's just because feeling's coming back. I'm just still taking my aspirin in the morning, and that is about it. So I could bend and squat, and going down is a little sensitive sometimes, but there's no pain at all, which is great. So I'm just doing physical therapy on Mondays. That's it.